How to use Google Authenticator application in Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings and tap on See More in Account Center. Now go to Password and Security and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now select your Facebook ID. Now select Authentication app and tap on Next. Now go back to your home screen. Now open up Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now search for Google Authenticator and tap on Search. Now install the application and wait for some time. Now go back to home screen and open up Facebook. Now copy the key. Go back to home screen and open up Authenticator application. Now tap on Get Started. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on Enter a setup key. Now enter your account name. Now tap on your key. Now paste the code. And tap on Add. Now copy the code and go back to your Facebook. Tap on Next. Tap on Next. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.